nothing. No, I'm not putting my hands behind my back. No.
Camera show.
No, I don't.
You just tried to give me HIV.
Officers are dispatched daily to retail theft calls across America. Most end with cooperation. But sometimes, an officer arrives at a Dollar General scene where a suspect is determined to deny reality, even when surveillance footage proves otherwise. On this day, loss prevention identifies a woman who allegedly walked out with thousands of dollars in merchandise. The officer locates her on a nearby porch. Before any command is issued, she is already saying the words, "I don't have anything."
I'm gonna tell you one thing. Put your hands behind your back.
No, don't touch me. I don't have nothing.
I'm gonna tase you.
No, I don't got nothing.
Put your hands behind your
You
back.
came all the way up here. No, I don't have anything.
Put your hands behind your back now, or I'm
No, I'm not putting my hands behind my back. No, no. I don't have anything.
Put your hands behind your back, or I'm gonna tase you.
No. What you want?
Listen, you're being detained right now.
Being detained for what?
Because you just came from Dollar General.
No, no, sir. I just came from Dollar General and I was returning something.
Like I said.
I was returning this, sir.
Like I said, put your hands behind your back.
I'm not putting my hands behind my back.
If you resist, you're gonna get another charge.
No, don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
One more time.
Don't touch me. Okay, go to that house right now. I did not come from no Dollar General. Okay, I didn't come. No, I didn't come from Dollar General. No, I didn't.
You just said you did.
I just walked down the street. I didn't come from Dollar General.
I'll tell you again. Camera show.
No, I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. No, I don't have nothing. Don't walk up on me.
I'm gonna tell you again.
I don't have anything. I didn't come from Dollar General.
You resist.
Okay, can you call another police? I live right there. I didn't go anywhere. No, I don't have anything. No, I'm not putting my hands behind my back. Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Resist.
Don't touch me!
Resist.
Don't touch me!
Resist.
Don't touch me! I don't have anything! Do not, excuse me!
Do not resist.
Excuse me, sir!
Do not resist.
You can go in the house and get that man right there. I don't have anything!
Thank you.
Excuse me!
13 Alpha 32. I have one black female detained.
Excuse me!
You can make this a lot
I don't
easier.
have anything. No, I didn't just come from Dollar General. Hey! Excuse me! Excuse me! Don't knock on the door! Excuse me!
Like I said.
Excuse me, sir. Can you go knock on the door? Can you go knock on the door? Excuse me! Can you knock on the door? Right there!
Let go.
Excuse me!
Let go.
No!
Let go.
Can you knock on the door? No! Can you knock on the door right there? I don't have nothing! Go knock on that door right there!
13 Alpha 32 to 42.
I don't have nothing! No, I don't have nothing! Do not touch me! No! I didn't do anything! Don't touch me! I don't have anything! I don't have anything! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I'm not going nowhere! I didn't come from no Dollar General! I just was walking down the street!
Stole from the store?
I didn't go to Dollar General! No, I'm not going nowhere.
Welcome me to the car.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I don't have nothing. I don't got nothing from Dollar General.
It's gonna be on the 65. Go ahead and sit.
I don't have anything, no. No, I don't have nothing, sir. No, I don't got nothing.
Go ahead and go inside.
Excuse me. Can you go get that man from right there?
Ma'am, listen.
No, I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing.
Listen, you're making it harder.
Excuse me.
Nobody's gonna help you.
Can you go down the street and get that man? I don't have nothing. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. No, no, no. No, call the real police. No.
Go ahead.
No, no, no.
So maybe you. Go ahead and go inside.
No, call the real police. No, call the police. No. No.
You're making it harder on yourself.
I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing.
Listen, you just said that
I don't have, no, I didn't come from the Dollar General.
You're going to get more charges.
No, I didn't come from no Dollar General. No. Call the real Dollar General.
Ma'am.
I was just walking down the street.
Ma'am.
No, excuse me.
Okay.
Can you call the real police?
I'm asking you to go inside.
Can you call the real police?
I'm asking you to go
Call the
inside.
real police.
I'm asking you to go inside. Very nicely.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm asking you.
I don't have anything. Don't touch
I'm
me.
asking you real nicely to go inside.
Andre!
Okay. You're gonna go inside. Come on.
Andre!
Come on. Go inside.
Andre!
Go inside.
Andre!
Thank you.
Under Terry v. Ohio from 1968, an officer may briefly detain on articulable facts. Illinois v. Gates from 1983 adds the totality test. Dispatch identification, store proximity, and unprompted denials all count toward reasonable suspicion. Under Graham v. Connor from 1989, reasonableness of force is measured from the officer's perspective at that moment, including active non-compliance. The officer issues a taser warning, a best practice required by most major departments. Asked why she is detained, the officer answers, "Because you just came from Dollar General." That sentence satisfies the Fourth Amendment's articulation requirement under Terry. Identification through dispatch easily clears that low threshold. The suspect moves from verbal refusal to physical resistance. Federal courts apply the no self-help rule. An unlawful detention does not authorize force against an officer. Each pull adds a separate resisting arrest exposure on top of the theft. Then comes the most damaging moment legally. Under Berkemer v. McCarty from 1984, roadside questioning during a Terry stop is non-custodial. Miranda is not required. Every word she volunteers is fully admissible at trial. She denies visiting Dollar General more than 30 times. Each denial contradicts surveillance footage the officer references on scene. Prosecutors will introduce these statements as consciousness of guilt evidence, a powerful inference of intent. Watch the officer's tone shift with the bystander Andre. He says, "I'm asking you very nicely to go inside." This is textbook de-escalation directed at a third party who could complicate the encounter. Andre complies and walks away. Once she is secured, the officer informs her, "I already confirmed you were at the store. Under Rodriguez v. United States from 2015, detention may continue while the officer is actively investigating the underlying theft mission." According to court records, the suspect was charged with grand theft. Most U.S. jurisdictions classify retail theft as grand theft when merchandise exceeds about $750 to $1,000. She received 12 months of probation.
I didn't steal nothing from no dollar store. I was walking down the street. I didn't go to the dollar store.
All right, so I already confirmed anyways that you were at the store, even though you lied to me.
Okay, I wasn't at the store. You can let me go. I was right over there. I was not at the store.
You were inside the store and they confirmed
No,
it.
I wasn't in the store. I wasn't in the store.
What's your first name? You got a mental initial?
Hey,
Okay.
tell him to come and get me out of here.
Again, 201 what?
I don't have nothing.
Well, you keep lying. I asked you if you went in the store. You said no.
No, I didn't go in the store.
You were in the camera in the store.
No, I didn't go in the store, sir.
You are on the camera inside the store.
No, I didn't go in the store.
Okay.
I didn't go in the store.
Okay.
I didn't go in the store.
Okay.
Let me go. I stay right there. I didn't go in no store. I'm right down the street from the house. You can let me go.
Can't do that just yet.
I wasn't at the dollar store.
Okay.
I wasn't at no dollar store.
Okay.
You can call that person right there. You call my baby to come get me out of here.
Well, you can't leave just yet, so.
I'm right down the street. My house right there where that Magnum at. Where that white Magnum. I didn't take anything from no store. I was at Dollar General.
You keep saying you weren't, but the cameras say otherwise.
No, I wasn't at Dollar General. You didn't see me at no Dollar General on no cameras. Let me out of here. I didn't take anything from the store.
No, ma'am, you're detained for right now. As long as we're investigating this crime.
Okay, can you call another police? I didn't take anything.
The other police officer is the one that's at the store trying to investigate everything. And he'll be able to be the one that you talk to. Okay?
Sir, you just tried to give me HIV. Do not touch me.
Okay,
Yes,
that's not how you
Yes,
transfer
you did,
it.
sir.
The responding officer earns an A-. Detention supported by reasonable suspicion. Commands lawful and clear. Taser warning issued. Bystander de-escalated. The grade is held back only because backup could have been called sooner. The suspect earns an F. She turned a single grand theft charge into a stack of recorded false statements, physical resistance, and consciousness of guilt evidence baked into the prosecution's file. Every denial became a weapon against her. The lesson is simple. If you are detained, comply physically and invoke the Fifth Amendment. Say the words, "I want a lawyer." Do not deny, do not explain. The street is not the place to litigate. Courts reverse bad detentions, sidewalks do not. Let us know in the comments which interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss next.